What's up everyone? In this video, I'll tell you about a secret feature that nobody knows about in ChatGPT that can greatly help you improve the quality of the answers that you get. So, like a lot of people do not know that you can ask ChatGPT to literally pretend to be someone. So, let's say you are a medical student and you want to ask like a medical question. Like, for example, how does a tumor form? So instead of asking ChatGPT how does a tumor form, for example, you can literally ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a medical doctor. So first, before asking the question, I'll ask ChatGPT, or I'll tell ChatGPT to pretend to be a medical doctor. So I'll tell it to pretend to be a medical doctor and tell me how does tumor form. So with this way, you will get a much more detailed or scientific answer, and you can do so with any category that you ask about. So you can ask ChatGPT to pretend to be like a commerce expert, like a lawyer, a teacher, anything that you want in your category of the questions that you ask.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.